how to remove any Android virus. So if you want to remove any Android virus, then what you need to do is the first method, make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser, your Chrome browser. After opening your browser, you will have a tab, right, in which it might show that you have some virus or something like that. So what you need to do is go with the tab, which is on the top right. And from the tab, you need to remove the tab in which it's showing the virus. This is first method. The second method is you need to open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to go with search. And here you need to search for Avast free antivirus for Android. Here you need to install this, tap on install. And once it's installed, you need to just open the application and you need to just tap on scan. And it will scan. If there's any virus, then it will find the virus and it will remove the virus. And your problem might be fixed. Or the next method is you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find reset, or just simply go with your search, and under search, you need to search for reset. And here go with reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. And tap on reset all settings. Go with reset settings, which is on the bottom. Once you've reset, your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is open up your Play Store again. And from your Play Store, you need to go with your the profile, which is on the top right. From the profile, go with Play Protect. And here you need to go and turn on your Play Protect. If it's not turned on, you can go with settings, which is on the top right, and then make sure that you turn on these toggles. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.